Imagine yourself in this 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Touring. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: quick order package 25K, 3.25 axle ratio, 17x7.0 aluminum wheels, 8-passenger seating, alloy seats, normal duty suspension, manufacturer's statement of origin, power liftgate, safety tech and radio, Uconnect 5.0. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.